How to buy Juris protocol tokens. This token came under the symbol of Juris. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by the token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So if you go to WEEX, as you can see from their post, as you can see, they said here new listing alert on WEEX. So we are excited to announce that upcoming spot listing of Juris protocol on WEEX. So it will be listed, as you can see, soon on WEEX. So if you have an account on WEEX, go and log into your account on WEEX, as you can see here. So after that, go back to this post and just copy the token sample from here. Now go back to your account, as you can see, and now you will after you log into your account, just copy that symbol of the token, and you will be able to find a pair Juris to USDT. But make sure that you find your account before going and buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy Juris token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.